This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Kairi Salah. Stunning, move-in ready home featuring 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Situated on a great size lot with no HOA, no CDD, and no restrictions. You'll love the outdoor pizza oven, spacious 20x16 shed/workshop, and the 20x12 screened room, perfect for relaxation and entertaining. Conveniently located in Spring Hill, close to schools, shopping, and all the essentials. The beautiful kitchen boasts ample cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a pantry. The spacious master bedroom includes a walk-in closet, while the screened-in lanai and fenced backyard offer extra privacy. Call for more details. For more information, review the details below or contact Kairi Salah at 801-918-7745.